Hi, I'm Maya and today we're going to be learning about BIDMAS, or as some of you might know it as BODMAS. So the purpose of BIDMAS is so we do the correct sums in the correct order. So you might have a calculation with subtraction and multiplication in, but you want to make sure that you do them in the right order, and that's what BIDMAS or BODMAS is for. So our example equation is this here. So we have 2 squared times by 3, open brackets, 4 add 2, close brackets, take away 4. Okay, so the first letter in BIDMAS is B for brackets, which we do have in this sum 4 add 2. So we would actually do this first, which would be 6. So our equation would now look like this. We have 2 squared times by 3 times by the 6 we just calculated, take away 4. Next up in this acronym is I for indices. You can see the symbol there is for the square root sign, but this can actually also be squared, and we do have a 2 squared in our sum. So you'll see that this is the first number in this equation, but we actually do it second. So 2 squared would be 4. So we would rewrite our equation like this. 4 times by 3 times by 6, take away 4. Okay. Next up is D for division. Okay, so there isn't any division in this sum, so we would actually just skip to the next one, which is multiplication. Okay, and you can see we do have multiplication in this equation. We do the 4 times 3, which is 12, times by 6, which is 72, and we still have our minus 4 at the end. So this is how our equation stands now, 72 take away 4. Next up is addition, which we don't have, so we skip to subtraction, and we do have subtraction there, so it leaves us with the answer of 68. This slide should help you remember the order in which you're supposed to go through the letters: brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction.